Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I have a treat for you. Oh, goddamn, she's frozen. Yep, she's frozen solid. Pretty sure I pulled the fucking lever for it. Okay, fairly certain. I might not have. Yeah, I've done pulled it. It was still stuck out, so let's try and beat her again, shall we? And this is a shot on one of them fucking iPhones. Oh, god damn it. She is a fucking mess out here at the farm. Got the old Dodge out here. It's an 03 Dodge Dakota with a 4.7 liter V8 Magnum. Has, I think, 132,000? 130,000? Let me just double check here. 130,783 miles on the clock. Can you see that? Look at that. And she's got a bit of an issue. Alright? She does. She was... Well, I abused the Christ out of her. I fucking did. Went from Valley Center, Kansas to Park City, Kansas with this motherfucker here sitting just like that. So that emptied that sumbitch. So let me fire her up, see if she'll even crank over in this fucking cold. She ain't got a generator hooked up. There's no belt on the sumbitch. I mean, my fan is, I don't know if you can see that play. It ain't supposed to have it. I mean, everything still turns just fine. Power steering pump, everything. So let me fire her up. First, let me check the oil. I don't want to fuck it up too much. So let's put that there on the battery. Oh shit, that's a bit stuck. Alrighty. Black as sin, but well within good safe level. Smells a bit like gas. Don't taste all that pretty either. It tastes kind of like gas. So, she's got oil. I didn't see any pretty sparkly metal flakes. So that leads me to believe it's salvageable. Shitty fucking speaker from Family Dollar. Works okay. And 3, 2, 1, contact. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Now, let's see if I can rev her up here. Revs up just fine. Ah, she's blowing a bit. Probably got a little bit of blow by. But other than that, I think she's gonna run just fine. But that is all for now. Got out here to assess it. Got it here about a week and a half ago. Running just fine. Actually, I got her out here on the 19th of December. It is now the 1st of January. But I will give you all more updates on her whenever I get ready to tear into her and see what's wrong. I'm out.